Hey YouTube, today I'm going to show you a recipe to make a healthy bacon cheeseburger. Stay tuned. These are the ingredients needed: lean ground beef 90-10, low-fat cheese, turkey bacon, sandwich thins, and seasonings of your choice. I chose onion powder, minced garlic, Mr. Dash's garlic and herb, and Weber's steak and chop. First off, we're gonna weigh out 8 ounces of ground beef. For your choice, you can choose how many ounces you want, but for mine, I just chose 8 ounces. Next, the seasonings. First is onion powder. Next, minced garlic. And finally, Mr. Dash garlic and herb, salt-free, which is very important. Can't forget about the Weber steak and chop. This gives it the extra flavoring of like the steak burger taste. But as I said, you can use whatever seasoning you want. Just be careful, a lot of seasonings have a lot of salt in it, so read the labels before you use them. Next, don't get your hands dirty. You're gonna mix it together and then flatten it out. Spray down your cooking area with a non-stick spray. I personally use this butter one found at Walmart because it has 0 calories, 0 macros, just a non-stick spray. And this is the biggest part: cook to your liking. I know me a lot of kickback for this, but I personally like my burgers medium to medium well, meaning some show a little red still. If you don't like it like that, cook it how you want, but personally that's how I like it. Because this is 8 ounces of raw uncooked ground beef, it's gonna take a while to cook, so don't rush it. And since we have a little bit of time here waiting for it to cook, if you have any recipe suggestions, please leave a comment or message me on Instagram or any other social media that I have. Next, you're gonna add some turkey bacon. Turkey bacon is a lot healthier than regular bacon. It's a different taste, a taste you get used to. If you had it before and like it, it's definitely a lot better to use than regular bacon. So if you want to use regular bacon, it's gonna make the macros a little worse, but do what you're comfortable with. After that, you're gonna add some cheese. I'm using low-fat cheese. Be very careful because a lot of cheese slices aren't really cheese. Make sure you read what you're putting into your food, read the labels, all that stuff. It should say cheese, not cheese type substance or something like that. Be very careful. And finally, we're gonna add the sandwich thins. These are gonna be the buns for your burger. These have a lot better macros than regular buns. If you compare to regular buns, you'll thank me later. Like I said, I like my burgers medium to medium well. So you see a little bit of red still, that's what I like. So I'm gonna cook a little longer and throw it on the buns. And don't forget, you gotta toast the buns. No one likes cold buns. Let it heat up a little bit, throw the patty on, put the other one on, let it melt a little bit more. Let that sizzle for a while before you add the bacon to it. And then finally, I'm gonna add the turkey bacon. And our finished product is here. Now look at that masterpiece. No guesswork. You're not gonna McDonald's guessing, was that beef or like a squirrel I just ate? No, this is real meat. 100% of what you're putting in your body. You'll thank me later. And now finally for the taste test. I said I like my burgers medium well. So it's just a little bit of pink left in here. But it's not overcooked, guys. The flavor. You're gonna thank me for this one, guys. If you try this recipe out, please let me know. If you have any recipes you want me to try, please comment them below. I'll try it out in the next video. And hey, love what you do. If you don't like it, why are you doing it?